Well, let's see if I can get some water to cook with this setup right here. And a transformer down there. Little glass right there with a coil wrapped around it. And some water. So, let's see what happens. I'm just going to go ahead and put the water into the setup. It's freezing outside, so let's see if the water gets frozen or if it indeed starts cooking. Zoom up close. We're just going to see what happens if I apply power, which is going to happen right now. Is this even doing something? Yep, it is doing something. Nice. Though I have to say, so far, only the coil is doing something. Oh, that stinks. Whew, quite a bit of a smoke bomb that we've going on right here. We lost focus. There we go. Let's see what happens with the water. Oh shit, all gets into the house. Not seeing anything, aren't we? Oh shit! Don't breathe that. Well, I guess the party is over. Oh, but we are indeed having some warm water. Isn't that nice? Isn't that nice? Might be able to see. It's not boiling, but we do have a bit of moisture coming out of there. Nice. Look at that. Let's just take this inside and quickly measure the temperature. Ooh, that's a bit of a mess here. Guess that's not even going to come off, isn't it? Oh, it is. It is. So, let's get inside. Okay, you can't really see it, but we do have 18 degrees ambient temperature. I stick this into the water, see what happens. Oh. Might not be able to see it, but we did in fact manage to bring it up to a 38 degrees Celsius. See what that is in Fahrenheit. Well, almost 100. Almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Nice. Nice and warm. There we have our crazy coil. As you can see, most of the wires have melted insulation, all carbonated. It was a very, very cheap wire, so not sad about that. And it's actually right now where it belonged from the beginning, on the junk pile. And it's quite roasty, as you can hear. Quite roasty toasty.